Hi guys, I hope you can hear me okay. I've taken off my helmet because it is snowing and I don't know if the microphone's really very good on this. So you can see by how much snow is coming down, how changeable the weather is. So that's why it's really important to be really conditioned for skiing or any action sports, because the piste can change from literally hour to hour. So we're going to probably get another couple of inches of snow today. So while I'm here, I'm just going to touch about what I do for my training, personal training and strength training. So I mainly train for like strength training for fat loss, but I do other strength training as well. So strength training, getting strong is a priority. So it's all very well, it's brilliant doing plyometrics and doing classes and stuff and Zumba and stuff like that. It's brilliant, and doing high stakes, high paced HIIT classes. But you really need to get into that weight room and build your muscles up that way, because if you didn't, my legs are okay now, but if there's someone who's never skied before and they just did HIIT classes, yeah, they'll be okay for the first day, but it's now it will kick in after the fourth day. So strength training for fat loss is a good thing to do. So if you want to do strength training for fat loss and you want to lose a few pounds, just message me or give me a like on thumbs up on YouTube, or give me an email and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So I hope you can hear me. I'm going to speak a bit louder. Oh, the drag has just stopped. Someone's just fallen off. So I'm trying to get so no snow gets into the camera lens, but look at the weather, brilliant conditions. It's going to say it's going to be heavy snow tomorrow. So hopefully you might get in some powder tomorrow because I'm just doing lots of filming today. So hope you can hear me all right. I'm just going to speak a bit louder because I've got my visor on. Most people were at the beginning of the week when it was lovely, hot and sunny, sort of like taking the mick out of me because I got this visor on and it was hot. But last couple of days it was blowing a gale and I was really sort of glad that I had this visor on. I helped a couple of people out. They almost like flew off the mountain. My little niece, she's only little, she's only 8 years old, and the gust of wind almost took her off the mountain. She almost flew. So yeah, so changeable weather, changeable conditions. So I love this conditions, and it's just a brilliant. Just look at the view. You can't really see the view because it's snowing. So this is what I call a ski vacation, proper skiing. I love skiing in the sun, and when it's sunny, brilliant because you can see everything. But I love this condition because it's almost a whiteout in places, and that's going to tax me and make sure my core is working a lot more. Like I say, you've got to work. Get your when you do skiing, it's a lot of core work, not just legs. It's core work. Like I keep saying, it's like anti-flexion, anti-extension, anti-rotation. Is to get that. So when you're side slipping down a steep hill, if some people can't do it, you have to keep that rigidity in your core. So your skis are going parallel and your torso is facing downhill. So you've got to keep that rotation, anti-flexion there all the time. And it does take a lot of core work to do that. So I'm just approaching the top of the drag lift now. So this is the fourth day of Zell. So hopefully I'm going to get some more good footage later on today. I don't know if it's going to clear up, but let's see what happens. here I am, I finally got a chairlift to myself. Everyone's going into lunch now, so it's probably the best time to go on to the pistes because everyone's packed in the restaurants. So it's about midday, 1 o'clock. I'm trying to make sure no snow falls on the lens. But yeah, so I like skiing just as it's lunchtime because everyone's in the restaurants and basically all the pistes are practically empty, which I love. So I'll probably go and have something to eat, probably about 2 o'clock. Probably spaghetti bolognese because me and my little niece are having a bit of a competition this holiday. She's on, I don't know how many more than me, but she loves spaghetti bolognese. So she loves spaghetti bolognese too much. So yeah, so I'm going to ski for another sort of hour, have something to drink, have lunch, and then just have a little bit of ski around, and then back home to the hotel just to relax, maybe go in the jacuzzi if it's working, and yeah, that'll be the 4th day. So hopefully, like I say, it's going to be even more snow tomorrow. I'm going to see if I can get some more footage from that, and I shall see you later. Hi there, so on the chairlift I was going to try and get some more footage of the mountains for you, but as you can probably see, there's not a lot I can get at the moment. Like I say, it could be like this for the next couple of days. So I think I got some footage early on in the week when it was a bit sunny, so I'll just splice this into this video here. But it's brilliant so far. Just finishing off lunch. So I had nice spaghetti bolognese, so it's about 2:30ish now. So I'm just going to finish off doing some more skiing, see what it's like. I don't think they piste during the day in Austria, they usually do it at night. So it's going to be a bit choppy near the bottom, but it's all good. I can ski through it, I'm pretty much used to it. Yeah, let's get back to the hotel. I probably will walk back because our coach is not going to pick us up at 4:30. So I'll probably walk back, which is a good walk because I like walking back. Did it last year and it was a nice cool down, so it's a nice 30-minute walk. And I'll go past the supermarket as well, get something to drink as well, and then it's back to the hotel for evening meal. So here I am still in Austria, and I'm just walking into one of the best supermarkets I've ever been to. Come and take a look.